Friends, welcome to Music Tutorial with Manoranjan, where you will get the higher level tips and tricks about the music, especially in piano, guitar, violin, whatever. So I am going to present about a higher level technique about free finger practice, that is 10 finger practice, how you can do in different beats. Okay, so let's understand and make practice for your better uh, exercise handling about the music in different way. Okay, so let's proceed. So just a technique, this is just some technical things I want to share. Just do such kind of practice. Again, let's next step. Such a way. Okay, right hand. Okay, so this is reverse. So this is the one kind of the practice. So you just so this is just a combine. Okay, another one. What I have done. Okay, just I combine. Okay, so such a way. So how I have done this? So this way. Emphasis on left hand. Okay, this is creeping style. Left hand creeping. Okay. Okay, so such a way you can practice it up to C to C. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, and just for your recap, just already I have discussed and by this way you can also use this black note. Suppose when you think for minor scale, so just add E flat and this is uh, A flat and this C B flat. Okay, so this is minor scale. So such a way you can practice also. So this is just a demonstration. This is just a sample of practice. So hope this exercise will help you. Okay. So my best wishes for your practice. All the best. Thank you for your patiently listening and watching. Bye.